In this video, I will outline how to finish chains with findings. I will show you how to attach tab ends and tube ends to chain. For this video, the materials you will need are a rope chain with a round tab end, a Figaro chain with a flat tab end, and a second rope chain or a chain that is round, and a tube chain ending. You will need easy solder, your torch, flux saving solution, tweezers, a third hand, a pink rubber wheel, and a pink 3M bristle wheel. I will open or close the tabs slightly with my pliers so they will fit snug against the chain. I will use a very small flame, about 3/4 of an inch of gas. My goal is to reflow the solder, soldering the chain to the tab end. I will check both chains for frozen links by giving it a little wiggle. I will keep my flame as far away from the chain overhang as possible, and I'll keep a close eye on the end of the chain and look for signs of the solder flowing. So finishing chain with the proper findings is easy to do with the right soldering setup.